Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Skillrack daily challenge substrings adjacent ends. The program must accept string S containing only alphabets as the input. The program must print the number of substrings in S where the first alphabet and the last alphabet are adjacent to each other in the string alphabet set. The string S is case insensitive. Okay. A and Z are adjacent to each other. Okay. Let me see the input and output. Environment output is 6. Let's see what are the 6 substrings where the start and end letters are adjacent to each other. M, N, O. N, O are adjacent. And in the second, N, M are adjacent. Don't just ignore the case. O, N, yes. They are also O, N. Here M, N. And here also M, N. So the first and last character are adjacent to each other. That's all. So we are getting 6 here. We can By seeing this itself, we can just run a for loop from here and insert another for loop which slices the string from here to here, here to here, here to here like that. And we can check the first and last characters, or we can place a pointer here, and then I loop. After that, inner we can go with the j loop, and we can move from the I plus one. If we check I and j are adjacent, that will be counted. Then after this, V and E are compared like that. And another method, the above to mentioned will get a time complexity of big of n square, right? For loop inside another for loop. So what I'm thinking was just why not in Java today we can try. Let's try it in Java. And what I'm going to do was I'm trying to solve this in a single for loop. Let's see this. Can we get the output or not with the method I'm going to do. Yeah, okay. After this, what we have to do in the main function, we have to declare a string s equal to sc dot next. Okay, we got the string as input. Okay. After this, what? Okay, we need to convert this to to upper case. Okay, we are converting it to uppercase. The string what we are getting as an input, we are converting it to uppercase so that we don't get any case insensitive matters, converting the whole string into uppercase. After that, what we can do, okay, I'm just going to create an array because I'm going to use a hashing technique here. Int array name a equal to new int of 26. Yes, all the 26 alphabets. And what I'm going to do is for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot len gth. Don't forget this s string. String s is a, see, s is a string, so we have to use function after the length. If it is an array, we don't need any function, just a variable name is enough for length. After that, what we can do? Okay, array of, oh, we need to, okay, this will get initialized to 0, right? If I'm not mistaken, array's default value will be 0, right? I think so. It will be 0. Okay. If array of s dot char at I, I'm getting the character and using its ASCII value, right? Yeah, I'm using its ASCII value here. 65. A means 0, right? A means 0, okay. And I mean just incrementing the respective alphabet's position and using another for loop. I'm going to run here. The first loop itself we can't do, right? We cannot. Can we do? First, we need to just enroll it. Okay. After this, we do it in a single for loop. This n, if we run a for loop here, we just initialized all this. After that, e. Then if we n, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Int I equal to 0, I less than s dot len gth I plus plus. After that, if array of, okay, I'm just going to store it in a character array. Char char c equal to s dot char char at I. Okay. If a of c s dot caret, okay, I can just store it in an int container. Okay. Int minus 65. Okay. If a of c, if c equal to 0, if c is 0 means we have to just and a of 25 greater than 0, or a of c plus 1 greater than 0. This is special case for c equal to 0. If c is 0, I mean the first alphabet. If a is present means we have to check the last character, and we have to check like the next character is there or not. If both are present means if visit is also there and oh, that will be a discussion. If visit is also there and okay, visit is also there and B is also there means if of B is it, so that will get a mistake, right? I think we should do this here. I think. Okay. A of C plus plus. If C is 0, okay, I'm just continuing with my method, or A of C equal to 25 means 0. If A of 0 is greater than 0, or A of C minus 1 is greater than 0, it should count, or a of, or dot c, or a of c minus 1. Okay, I need to just add a 164 here. Yes, let me add a 27 here. Okay, okay, this is fine, I think. So that I don't need any alphabets and all. Zero, this kind of things. Yes. If C is first alphabet, and this is right, means if C equal to 1, and this is right, means F25, then it should enter into the loop, or C equal to 25, and A of 1. 1 is the first alphabet A. If this is true, means it should enter into the loop, or A of C minus 1 greater than 1, or A of C plus 1 greater than 1, means answer plus plus. Yes, int n is equal to 0. Yes, we are doing it. Okay, let's change this. Okay, system dot out dot println, and let's check this is working or not. What I have done was just created a hash like array, and I just given something, but it is not working to uppercase. Am I getting the correct output, or is there something else there? NO, I think it is working for NO. Oh, okay, I cannot pass two arguments there. I forgot. Yes, environment, everything is in caps, right? Okay, just fine. I'm just storing s dot caret I minus 61. Yes, yes, everything looks fine here. Mhm. Why I'm not getting 6? Getting 5. Oh. Environment. Young. Oh, N got repeated twice. Oh my God. Okay, okay. How much count it has? Okay, answer plus equal to A of C minus 1. I think this is the fault. C plus 1. I think this is the one we missed here. I think. Let's check this out. No. Bound in index out of bound exception. Why? Okay, let me increase size by 128. Let's check now. 0. Why? Why? Okay, 1. If count is 1, Okay, I need to check by everything, everything I have. Okay, if yes, let's check this if it is working or not. No, still the output is zero only. Why? Why we are not getting any? First, let's try to understand here. A is there, Z is there. Then the first character is like 65. 65 minus 1, C is 1. C is 1 and A after no. No value will get printed A. After that also A, no. When this Z comes, when this Z comes, yes, C value is equal to 25, right? 25 or 26. A value 21. Okay, okay. I just forgot to change here, add 1 because I started the index with 1, then it's 26. The last letter will store in 26th character. 26th index. The last letter will store in 26th index. That is what the error. We got, yeah, we got the solution. What I have done was initially I just created an array and I just assigned the value of each occurrence of the alphabets in an array, integer array, which is index ranging from 1 to 26. 1 to 26. A starts with 1 and Z starts with 26. And what I have done was I just indexed all those elements and I just checked if an element comes like I'm coming from left to right, right? So if I see V and I'm just checking the previous value, if V has any previous index, V means which is nothing but I'm just storing the value and occurrence of V in one array, right? I'm just checking the previous values like U and U and W by just checking the next value and previous value in the array. If it is there means I'm just printing their count, adding. If you just can't able to understand means just trace the code because I am not well explained that problem because I'm not so sure about the solution. Just trace back those codes and you will get to know the output how I got. And again, once again, many channels don't do this because they can just go with the flow of the question. If you want to do something different means just you have to think in a different way and just try to solve in a different way. That's all. But this also has some drawbacks, even though it has just we done the problem in big of n time complexity, it has extra space. That is also we have to consider like big O of n. Space complexity is there here. But when you do with two for loops, there will be no space complexity, just the time complexity is like big of n square. And see you in the daily test.